Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just a quick video. I was going to do an install video, but there's so many install videos on YouTube about upgrading the bars on the Surrons. I should have actually probably done one on these anyways. So I ended up putting so anyways, I don't know if I told you guys, my son ended up already crashing the 2025 Surron Light B. He's all right. He wasn't wearing any gear, but he got some pretty crappy road rash on his right arm. He wasn't going very fast either. He was going like maybe 15 miles an hour. And I think he hit it on sport mode and lost control, or did something. I don't even know how he really crashed. And then he held onto the throttle and the bike was spinning on the asphalt on the ground. So there was some damage to the light here. The stock bars were bent. There's a little rash on the fender. It's actually not that bad. The seat got a little torn back here, right there. That's probably about it. The bars did get bent. The throttle tube got thrashed, the stock throttle tube, and the grip. Just some damage, some light damage, some scratching right here. But anyways, I had these brand new Pro Taper. I forgot which one. These are the Contours. I forgot the name of the guy, the bend on these. Windham? No, I forgot. Anyways, I had these already, and I have a set of pillow grips, Pro Taper pillow grips, but I didn't put those on yet because I'm gonna wait till I get the aluminum Warp 9 Ultra B throttle tube, which is on back order till like December, I think, or November. So I'm going to roll like this for a while. But what I ended up doing is I got the Gritshift Heavy Hitter direct mount. There it is right there. The pad's on here for the Pro Taper. We put that on there. What we had to do, unfortunately, kind of sucked, but we had to cut the I forgot what it's called. That's the I got a brain fart right now. It's part of this. It's where the old stem goes on. I forgot what that's called right there. I'm just having a brain fart right now. But anyways, we had to cut that down so it wouldn't hit the direct mount. It would have. So we cut that down. We took some measurements. Took everything apart first. The bars, they made a huge difference. They feel so much more solid. The bike just rides better. It's easier to handle. I went for a ride with it myself. Man, what a difference it made on riding the bike and handling the bike. Everything. The position is much more comfortable. I highly recommend upgrading to like a dirt bike bars. Everything else went right on. This slid right on. Brakes, everything else. Just a huge upgrade that I would highly recommend for anyone that has a Surron. The stock bars are crap. They bent. They chipped. Even the metal chipped. I mean, they're cheap. It's part of how they make these bikes. You know, that's a cheap part on the bike just to keep the cost down. So I highly recommend some Pro Taper bars or any dirt bike bar and this direct mount. The Gritshift Heavy Hitter, it's called. There we go. I also got kickstand for the Ultra B. Man, the kickstand on the Ultra B is terrible. It sits up really high, and not only that, I needed an adjustable kickstand anyways because I have the Milk Racing Supermoto wheels right here. I still need to unbox, so I still got those. Yeah, so we'll do that later. But I got the adjustable kickstand for the Ultra B, and I also got let me see here, a Project 9 brake light for the Ultra B because it has no brake light. So it's actually a running light and a brake light. So anyways, I know a lot of you guys have been asking, when am I going to get mine? What was some of you guys ended up ordering on Alibaba. So I know a lot of you guys are asking, when am I going to get mine and all that stuff. So just be patient, guys. You got to be patient and wait for those things. They take a while to get. Mine took 60 days to get these bikes. It took 20 days to get a tracking number. and then another 40 days for them to arrive at the house. So just be patient. If you guys have any comments or questions, just ask them on the, just put them down in the comments. And I'll do another video soon. Hopefully I'll do a ride video. I'm trying to get a mic for my phone so you guys could hear me, because I don't have a remote mic yet. So just, you know, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll get the updates when my videos come out. All right, I'll see you on the next one.